Hey everybody, I'm StonerSlim, the guy with the bow tie, and it's Tuesday once again, and I'm back on your TV screen, your phone screen, your tablet screen, or however you choose to watch this program, and you got the munchies, and I got the munchies, and you want to see what I'm going to cook, and I want to cook for you, so let's not wait any longer. Let's get this party started, right? We're going to get our fresh weed, our fresh ingredients, we're finna take another trip in the Munch, and StonerSlim going to be your tour guide. Let's go!
Bitch, I got the sauce. You ain't foul, bro. That's I ain't gonna ruin a good game like that. You mother.
Let me light this up to calm my nerves. I apologize about that outburst, you guys. Sitting here watching reruns of the playoffs, cause I can't watch no sports right now. COVID that took so much stuff away, and I can't help to say I'm a little angry right now. So, since I can't go to the stadium, I can't go to the field, I'm gonna try to bring it at least home a little bit. Even if it was playoff time, my favorite team wouldn't be in the playoffs. I love you, Trey, but gotta do better next year. But since I can't be there, I'm gonna bring it home the best way I can. I don't want no hot dogs, so we're gonna have Nachos Con Stoner. Oh, Nachos Con Stoner. You know, when you at the stadium, concert, it ain't gotta be a game, but I'm thinking about sports right now. And you got a piss break moment, and you hungry, you know what I'm saying? You go to the concession stand, get you some good nachos. Difference between here, mine gonna be quick and home cooked. And you know, when you cooking, you normally have ingredients. But when you in the Munch with StonerSlim, we don't have ingredients. We have ingredients, baby. Yes, sir. So, I'm not a vegan or anything, and I don't just want cheese nachos. So I'm gonna have a pound of the ground beef into my nachos, baby. The Tostitos medium cheese, you know what I'm saying? It got a little spice to it, but it tastes so lovely. Where you at? Oh, El Paso, the original taco seasoning. It's almost time for me to get another can, you guys. Jalapenos. El Jalapeno-os. The Travis Bull, the hot sauce of the hot sauce of the sauce, hot sauce. I don't use regular tortilla chips. I'ma use me some Doritos, Cooler Ranch, cause I'm cooler than you. And the most important ingredient of them all, you can't have it be in the Munch without a bowl of weed. Breakfast for champions, even though it's dinner time. And you can't roll your weed without a bow tie, Rillo, a bow tie, Rillo, a bow tie, Rillo. And you can't light your weed without a bow tie, Rillo, lighter, straight up. So, we're gonna get this party started the right way. We're gonna drop off this meat in the ground beef, get all that nasty fat stuff up out of there, drop it in the handy dandy strainer bowl, put it back in the skillet, mix it up with the sauce and the cheese, and we're gonna go crazy, man. This junk ain't gonna take no time, and this might just be the best nachos you ever had in your life. I hope you coming to see me in the Munch to get my super player dope recipes as well, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't be coming up with this stuff for nothing, man. The junk really tastes good, man. Especially when you got the munchies. So, let's get into step one, you guys. And turn the flame up. Let's just the dump. So, once again, you don't just want to have it lumped up in there. We're trying to brown up the whole pound, brown it, get it small as possible, you know, like we did when we cooked the taco. When you first put them in there, you can only stretch it out so much, so that's what we're gonna get into right now, you guys. Oh, I'm so rude. I got you dirty. And I didn't even say how you doing. Gotta say hey to my friend Spack. I preheated my skillet today, so we're gonna take a little less time. You know what I'm saying? I really got the munchies, real. Not only do I have the munchies, I was so high I forgot to eat. I think I just taught myself something new. If you preheat the skillet, it don't take long at all. I'm not even walking away from the skillet. Normally I get a chance to walk away. This junk doing a great job. Great job, Stoner. High mind, think greatly. I have to stop. For a PSA from the sponsor of this show, weed. Have you ever been under the influence and you couldn't get to a kitchen? You didn't know what you want to cook? I'm gonna recommend you go to your local YouTube channel. You turn on StonerSlim, THC, and he has a show called In the Munch. If you ever run out of ideas, I won't run out of ideas for you. Every Tuesday, I'm on your screen. Public service announcement from weed. This process is really almost over. Legitimately, 5 minutes later. Now that the ground beef got rid of all the fat, I'm finna toss it off in the... Wait a minute. Hold on. You know what time it is. You know whose time it is. You all give it up for the star of this show besides myself. You know his name, you know it well. He goes by the Handy Danny Strainer Ball. Handy Danny Strainer Ball. Handy Danny Strainer Ball. Be right back, guys. Now, the product is browned. Shout out Brown on Cleveland Avenue. So, now that it's dumped back in the skillet, right back strainer bowl. Now this one you go through, and break up any of the big pieces, turn my flame up. So, now that we got the meat back in the skillet, we're getting into the seasoning process. Watch out for your boy. I'm finna put you on to some extravagance, young stoner man. So, we take our Old Del Paso, the original taco seasoning mix. I'm going to the small side. This the big kid side, like the big kid, right? Make sure, take it through. We cover up the meat. And now, you take your jalapeno slices, and I need to get some more because I'm running out of juice. Take the top, hold it like this. Pour. This time I gotta tilt all the way because I'm at the bottom. I got a seed in there, oh man. Normally I won't know jalapenos in the meat, but I got a seed. The Trappy Bull is next. Take it, get that garwood up. You know Young Stoner. You know how he like his food. Spicy, rather spicy, dog. Alright, that's enough. Get a cup of water.
I'ma eat,
now.
I'ma grub. Diamonds water like a tub. I be bustin' like a slug. Sweat that bug on the rug.
The higher you turn your flame up, quicker the meat gets done. So, just another tip from the guy Stoner Man. Mix everything. Get that liquid like slug. Looks like I didn't put that water in there, so I'm already scraping the pot. You hear it, you see it. This meat is getting ready. I'm gonna add a little bit more water, just a little bit more. Just a tad bit more. That's all I'm gonna need. And now I turn around and let me light my weed. And you know that I be popping bars, and I be high as fuck where I'm at stars, putting up in expensive bars. Where you going? Not too far. Where I'm at. Getting everything mixed up, everything cooked swell. We're gonna turn my flame down just a tad bit, Let that thing simmer now I got everything mixed up, so the way things cooking look like I probably only have to check on the meat like 1 or 2 times. I'm gonna do that like every 3 minutes. Flip it around, make sure the ground beef not sticking to the pan, and we're gonna get to the mixing up the cheese, boy. Whew. The favorite part of being in the munch, getting to cure my munchies. Yes sir, Reebok. I want to take time out this week that just passed. We had 2 special holidays go around. So I want to salute all my Mexican brothers and sisters for y'all independence that y'all salute every May the 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo to y'all. And to every mother out there, To my son's mother, my mother, every mother in the world, I want to wish you all the real ones, every mother out there, a happy Mother's Day. Sorry I couldn't be in your kitchen cooking for you all. Y'all deserve it. Y'all deserve to have somebody taking care of y'all for everything y'all did for us. Happy Mother's Day, happy Cinco de Mayo, happy holidays, even though it ain't Christmas time. From your boy, StonerSlim, and I got with the bow tie. Y'all get one big tote. Check me. They need to invent a camera that can send the smell through. Jesus, it smells so lovely over here. It smells like you in the Munch with StonerSlim.
I'm on the yacht, I'm on the beach. I saw the pound, get on my feet. They nigga mad, thinking it's sweet. Whole lot of heat, cause I gotta eat. Make some Margiela, they all on my feet. Came from the street to a hotel suite. Running the game like I got no peace. Shit, it got real, man, keeps. A nigga can get it, no man, I'm not kidding. You know that shit stay up under my seat. You supposed to be homie, but man, you so phony. The first thing you get, man, you talk about me. Hey, nigga the man, cause a nigga the greatest at making these hits like Muhammad Ali. I take out like Ahmed, I fly like a rocket. I ball like Jay Hardy, who can stop me? I stay on top of my shit. 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 I stay on top of my shit, ain't no topping this shit, and you copy this shit, ain't no stopping this shit. If I'm seeing that shit and I wanting that shit, then I'm copying that shit, and you copy it, bitch, if I want it. Copy, breaker, yeah, you know I break her. Take a bitch and break her, take a bitch and fuck it up, or make her fucking on the face. Fuck her, nigga, take it. Kill a nigga like I am the Undertaker, serving like a waiter, ballin' like a Laker, getting high like elevator, man. I stay on top of my shit. I'm on the beach, I saw the pound, get on my feet. They nigga mad, thinking it's sweet. Whole lot of heat, cause I gotta eat. Make some Margiela, they all on my feet. Came from the street to a hotel suite. Running the game like I got no peace. Shit, it got real, man, keeps. A nigga can get it, no man, I'm not kidding. You know that shit stay up under my seat. You supposed to be homie, but man, you so phony. The first thing you get, man, you talk about me. See, nigga the man, cause a nigga the greatest at making these hits like Muhammad Ali. I take out like Ahmed, I fly like a rocket. I ball like Jay Hardy, who can stop me? I stay on top of my shit.
I stay on top of my shit. I stay on top of my shit. I stay on top of my shit. I stay on top of my shit. I stay on top of my shit. I stay on top of my shit. I stay on top of my shit. I stay on top of my shit. On top of my shit. I let it laugh on the wrist. I might go hard on the bitch. I like the bean in the breast. I'ma stay down till I'm rich. Bustin' the tail till it clicks. I give it damn no offense. Put the rock from a cup to a fist. I smoke a ladder, you hearing me? Bet on my team, you get defeat. We play for keys, I gotta eat. Nigga get popped, thinking it's sweet. I'm up till I'm up, I do not sleep. She wanna fuck, I'd rather get cheese. Family and money, what matters to me? Hate me or love me, don't matter to me. Just know ain't no stop at this shit. I stay on top of my shit.
That seems like a good amount. Make sure you mix it all the way in. Make sure you mix it all the way in. It's real good. Now it's golden. Living my life like it's golden. Living my life like it's golden. I don't own the rights to that music. Don't hit me with a copyright claim. YouTube. So, that is all mixed in. Turn my flame down a little bit more. Since we all friends and cool people on here, I gotta light this blunt up. Tell y'all the good, extravagant news. So, this week has also been a big week as well. Not only the holidays that we went by, they were just days, but this week that passed by, I don't even know how to say it. I'm really shy when it comes to stuff like that, but I guess I'll just blurt it out. Young Stoner got another baby on the way. I'm gonna be a dad again. Number 2. Oh my gosh, my son, he feels indifferent about the situation, but me, man, I'm on top of the world right now. I've been eating a lot more, and you know, maybe it's not just because I got the munchies that I made these nachos, because I really been craving them too. But I just wanted to tell the people that care about me over my show. It's my show. I tell y'all whatever I want to tell y'all. It's up to y'all to listen. But I'm expecting my second child. It's that time. Everything's done. Got good hot cheese sauce going on right now. And that will conclude our broadcast of In the Munch with StonerSlim. The food is over with, so get out of my kitchen. Now that we done, it's only right that I The great StonerSlim, great chef StonerSlim, give you a taste of Nachos Con Stoner. Oh, we're supposed to do that again. Nachos Con Stoner. Let me put my blunt down for this. This finna get real. One my partner got the same, my other partner got the beam. All of my partner got drugs, cause all of my partner deployed. Don't be like Boss Man Chino and burn your mouth. Blow first. All of my partner got green, one of my partner got lean. One of my partner got the same, the other partner got the beam. All of my partner got drugs, all of my partner deployed. Yo, we got whatever you need. All of my niggas got weed, one of my. I just made me drop top of my low rider real quick. Man, look, listen. Keeping the buck with you. Normally I tell you, do what you want to do. But man, if you can, follow my recipe and I promise you. If these ain't the best nachos that you ever had, I ain't gonna give you none. I just promise they gonna be the best nachos you ever had. So this is where we're gonna end the show, everybody. I would just like to thank you all so much for taking your time out of your busy schedule to put me on whatever device you use to watch this show. I hope these recipes been turning out good for you all. If you've been enjoying the music that's been playing, most of it been mine. If you like what you hear, follow me everywhere at StonerSlim123. Links to my music are in the description below. And every Tuesday, I'm on your local YouTube, your local Facebook page. Hey, watch your boy, StonerSlim, the high guy with the bow tie. Once again, I'm so thankful for your time. And we're gonna leave the Munch how we started it, faded as a mug, in the Munch with StonerSlim. Thank you guys.
Bitch, not a new hoe, she my old hoe. She my old flame. Bitch, I got the sauce.